If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? Loving you. You can fuck around and find.
Y'all, I had to get on the camera real quick. I hope it focused. But guess what, y'all? Guess what? My boyfriend came through and got me a motherfucking. Y'all, he got me a freaking iPad. Do y'all know how bad I needed this? How bad I wanted this? And how bad he knew I needed this? Y'all. No more editing. Y'all, no more editing on my freaking phone. No more. We're on the iPad, baby. Life gets better when you get an iPad, I heard. So let's see how this takes us. I just had to get on the camera, y'all. This is going to be part of my vlog. It's probably going to be a weekly vlog or a day in the life or a weekend in the life. I don't know how I'm going to put this yet, but y'all, just know I got my motherfucking iPad and it's up and it's stuck. I think I'm going to do an unboxing little video for y'all. Then I'm going to do one for TikTok. And yeah, I just wanted to come up here and show y'all real quick that my man came through with the motherfucking iPad. Okay, bye, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kabir back with another video. I know y'all probably tired of me starting off my vlogs with a bonnet on, but it's like, it's realistic. This is how I wake up. This is how I start my day. I'm not about to take my scarf off, do my hair, just to jump on the camera when I literally haven't even got out the bed yet. But I did get out the bed. I actually just came back from Chick-fil-A. Then I went to Ross. Today we're gonna run a few errands with me. I'm off today, so I'm gonna make today content day. I make content day even when I'm not off, but like, y'all know what I mean. Today we probably go get a car wash, and I don't know what else we're gonna do, so we just gonna let the day go by. But I do know for sure that I am gonna go get a car wash. I'm gonna take y'all with me to get a car wash. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to get on here and say hi to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I bought from Ross, because I know y'all probably want to see. And then after that, we're gonna get on with the rest of our day. I am gonna take my bonnet off and get ready when I am about to leave the house. I don't like this tripod that I got. I'm just gonna let y'all know that this is gonna be a regular thing. This right here is always gonna look like this, because when I get home, I do not be feeling like taking my jackets and hanging them back up. So I just be throwing them motherfuckers up. But I had got this trash can from Ross. This joint was $1.99, y'all. Look. $1.99. I got one for me and I got one for my sisters. I don't know which one I want to choose, but I think I'm gonna go with this one because it's more wide. And then I had got me a bedspread, because I told y'all how like bedspreads at Ross be like $10, $9. So like I just got me a bedspread. That's all I got. I ain't really getting nothing spectacular. I'm about to actually change my bed sheets right now, and I'm about to eat my food, clean my room up a little bit, and then after that we're gonna get the show in a row and we're gonna start our motherfucking day. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're already watching the video this long, clearly it's something about it that you like. So go ahead, subscribe, go ahead, like this video, and if you want to see more content from me, let me know. And hey y'all, so I am dressed and I'm ready to leave the house, y'all. Tell me why I thought I was home alone and my father pulled up in the house. Like, you just killed my vibe. But I'm about to head to the car wash. After the car wash, I don't know what we're about to do. I'll probably just go buy some shit just because I want to buy it, honestly, because why not treat yourself? That's so important. So what are the odds? But anyways, I'm not gonna talk to y'all too much in the house. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm about to leave the house. I think I'm gonna put a little concealer, lip gloss. I'm gonna make my face look a little decent, because right now I look a mess. So I try to feel cute for the video, because last time I did a vlog I didn't do anything, so I feel like I want to do something. So I'm gonna get back to y'all on camera when I feel a little cute or whatever. Okay y'all, so I finally picked a freaking outfit to wear. I got on this jacket that y'all probably seen on my jealousy tray with some Skims leggings. Then I got my Steve Madden pink bag that I'm about to put on, and then I'm gonna just grab my keys, brush my hair. I need to find a better angle, but I did try to do a little something to my face, if y'all noticed. So I look a little better, or whatever. I don't look like what I just looked like earlier. But now we really about to leave, because I know I told y'all we about to leave like 5 times, but I just have to make myself look a little more better than what I was looking like before. Just a little bit of enhancement, ain't nothing for real. But we about to head out, y'all. So let's just see how this day take us, because I don't really know what I'm about to do. But let's just go on a motherfucking adventure. Period. Last time I recorded in my car and I put my camera right here, my car was shaking like shit and I didn't even realize it. So it kind of like ruined like my whole clip. So I'm about to record real quick and see what this looking like, because I'll be damned if I start chatting it up again and just to have to delete the clip. Y'all, so I really can't even get my car washed because they had some type of emergency at the car wash inside the tunnel. So apparently you can't get your car washed, but maybe that was a sign from God. I really don't like how I look right now. It's a freaking Rockin' Toes by my house, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all, Rockin' Toes is like one of the nastiest seafood places that you can eat at. I freaking hate Rockin' Toes so bad. Like, their seafood don't have no type of good flavor. Like, it's just somewhere you would go, like if somebody else was taking you, or if you want to be cheap. That shit's not good. But I got my food, y'all, and of course I got me a blue slushie, because I love me the blue slushies. I'm probably making this into like a few days in my life or something. Damn, I broke the straw. I hate these cheap ass straws. Luckily, when I went to McDonald's, I made sure that I picked up more than one straw, so I'm just gonna use McDonald's straw. You know McDonald's straws paper straws, but at least the paper straws don't be breaking. Like I was saying though, I'm gonna make this vlog until like a week, days in my life. Only because today didn't go as planned, so the vlog not gonna be that long. Y'all gonna have to come spend a few days with me instead of a day with me. I actually want to do that anyway because I feel like I always do a day with me, so I want to change it up. Damn, he blessed me with the sauce. So I got me a steak burrito. Oh shit, I'm tripping. And I got me 2 soft tacos. I honestly haven't even got out the car yet. Like, I literally just been driving around, so I really ain't touched nothing, but just because steering wheels are one of the dreamiest things, because it is. I'm just still going to hand sanitize my hand. Yeah, I'm pissed off today didn't go as planned, but anyways, how was y'all day going? What's y'all plans for this week? What's y'all goals for this week? Like, do y'all make yourselves weekly goals? Like, talk to me, comment under below. What do y'all do when y'all feeling sad? Like, talk to me, tell me a few things about yourself. Like, if you got a YouTube channel, comment your YouTube channel below so I can subscribe, or I can start looking in, because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I love small YouTubers. Small YouTubers channels be more interesting than the big YouTubers. I feel like once the big YouTubers got their shine, okay, yay, next. Like, they still be cool to watch, don't get me wrong. I love my little favorite YouTubers that's big, but like the smaller YouTubers really be interesting for real. Like, I feel like everybody should get a chance to shine, and I feel like YouTube don't do that. YouTube only push out people who already popping, and I don't like that because the algorithm nowadays is hard, and I feel like you can't really go based off of what you think. Like, don't post at a certain time, all that shit that people be saying is not true. Post whenever the fuck you want. You don't know when you're gonna blow up. But back to what I was saying, I like smaller YouTubers better, only because I feel like they be more interesting. Like, once you watch your big YouTubers, sometimes they posts can get repetitive. Like, you literally start to watch the same thing they post every day, just in a different outfit. You know what I mean? Kudos to them, but like, I be trying to see some new bitches. Damn, my taco falling apart. Y'all, so I'm back home, and today pretty much failed. Everything did not go as planned, but it's cool. Everything don't always go as planned. So I'm gonna see y'all later on in this vlog, because I don't know when I'm gonna pick my camera back up, but just know I'm gonna pick it back up because this is going to now be a few days in my life instead of a day in my life. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later on. Bye. Y'all, so we about to go to the mall. I personally just like y'all, so we about to go to the mall or whatever. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get to the mall. I fake look cute. I didn't do no makeup. I just did a little concealer on the under the eye and mascara. But hopefully I don't run out of storage while we at the mall, because if I run out of storage, I'm gonna be pissed off. It's currently raining and it's ugly outside, but I need to find an outfit for this party tomorrow, so therefore we just gonna have to make a fucking move, because who the fuck not about to look cute? And in my hair done? Oh yeah, I definitely gotta find an outfit. Hopefully I find something at this mall, because if I don't find nothing in this mall, I'm about to be pissed off. Yeah, so we finally made it to this freaking mall after it was traffic of freaking 40 minutes, y'all. 40 minutes, but this is what I got on. Y'all can't really see my outfit that much, but because the way my tripod, but it's this cute little outfit from Pretty Little Thing. I know they're gonna be on dicks and try to tell me I can't record, because most be fake trying to geek, but I'm gonna record anyway, because are y'all paying me? Are you paying me? I think not. Y'all, so we big, fat, and extra large. We decided to eat first, so take this nasty plan. Yeah. I mean, I didn't want you in my video. Can you stand right there real quick? I need to take a picture. Yeah, because I'm gonna want to be taking. If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you wanted to go to that's it, after Wings 21. Wings? Wings? Say hi to my video, y'all. Hey, video. Can you back up? Let me say hi. What's this butt? Your butt look big.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh hell no. Why the fuck we on the video?
New York, New York.
I can't wait to go because I'm going.
I'd rather be from New York. I won't. I like being from DC. You do Measy, that's why she said that. If she
I don't have no. I'm not even from nowhere for real.
Yes, you are. You from Maryland.
From Maryland. I'm not. Please come back.
How you mad? You from Maryland? Yeah, my sister mad because she from Maryland. Like, it's okay to be Measy. Where you going, Book? Where you going? I just brought that up. Y'all don't listen.